Hi guys, welcome back to the new video in this channel. Today I will guide you how to add audio spectrum in CapCut. For that you need to open the CapCut application and tap on new project to open new project on CapCut. After that you need to select any new video that you want to add audio spectrum on. After you have selected, tap on add button, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen, and once you have selected the video, at the timeline you need to tap on the text option at the bottom of the screen. You need to tap on stickers here, and when you swipe to the left you can find a small bell like icon. Tap on it. When you scroll to the stickers, here you can easily see at the left of the screen the audio spectrum. You need to tap on that. Let's mute this clip at first, and here you can see that it has already appeared on this video in the CapCut. You can easily customize the size of this audio spectrum, rotate it as well of your choice, make the duplicate of it in this way. Let me show you, and as well you can select the audio spectrum and customize its duration as well in this way. So I hope you got the information well. If this video was helpful for you, then hit the like button, subscribe and comment down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.